Hey everybody, my name's Antonio and welcome to Back at the Ranch. So we're back at the ranch. We got a little unboxing slash review for you. We've got Rimfire Dualing Tree from Cabela's. So let's open this thing up. I'm gonna set this camera down and show you what's in the box. Do a quick setup, put it down range a little bit, pull out some 22s and tell you what we think about it. Alright, so here's what we got. Again, Dueling Tree comes in a decent sized box here. Pretty heavy, made of steel. I've already cut the seal on it. I have not gone through the box yet. So what do we got? We've got the Dueling Tree itself, packaged up. So good size, from small one on top, large one on the bottom. Get it out of the bag. Pick up that trash in a second. There you go. Got some nice springs on the back, so spring loaded. What else we got in the box? So a little packaging. Here's your base right here, instruction manual. Here's your base. Got your instructions. Which I just realized I had sunflower seeds in my beard. I apologize about that. Pretty straightforward to assemble. I don't think I'll need that manual, but you've got a bag with screws and butterfly nuts, excuse me, 4 of them. 4 stakes to stake it down when you're using it. So again, it's pretty straightforward. Just looking at it, let me put this box aside. Pretty much what you're going to do here is, using those screws and bolts, you're just going to attach this right here, right there. So it does have squared holes on the bottom. So you take this nut, take it off, got the screw by itself, insert the screw from the bottom to the top. Oop, had a bee or something hit my face there. Bring this up now. You'll notice that they are a little bit offset. Let me show you that a little bit better. These two are a little bit spaced out more than that. So that's the front, that's the back, just looking at it. Put this back in place. So you'll see you got 2 spaced out, 2 up close. So just set it right there. Turn the camera angle for you a little bit. Drop that washer on. Put the nut. Be able to just turn it because you got that screw with a squared position. So repeat that 3 more times and you're almost ready to go. So once you set this up where you're going to go, pretty much put this on the ground and drive your stakes directly into these holes into the ground so it won't tip over. And you're ready to have some fun. So let me finish setting this up and I'll be with you in a few minutes. Alright, so we are fully assembled now. I do want to point something out. So to know the difference between top and bottom, these rings go at the bottom, and the purpose of that is it's a spacer, so it will space out the heads of the screws. So make sure that you have this side facing down, otherwise you're going to have to take this apart and do it again. So again, just 4 screws. That stands on its own. And there you have it. So you've got 7? 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 targets, all of them spring loaded. You can have fun by yourself. Or I got Pablo with me today. We're gonna have a little 22 shooting competition. So we brought our 22 pistols and a 22 rifle. We're gonna set this out about 15-20 yards and see how she works. All right, so we've got the tree set up about 15 yards down range here. Gonna use some CCI blaster bulk ammo, a couple of 22s. You got your Kel-Tec.
I got my Kel-Tec out.
I brought my Taurus here. So I'm already loaded up with some ammo in here. I'll take that first round. So
go ahead.
Eyes and ears. Did you bring ears?
My ears are always on my head. But yeah, most definitely got to protect your ears.
So even though this is a 22 and it's not very loud, I do appreciate my hearing. want to take care of it. Actually, here I got another set right here. If you need.
I got hose.
Got some? All right. So if I start talking a little bit louder, I'm sorry. It's because I'm going to plug my ears in to protect them. And these are shatterproof glasses. I know you've got yours, so let's do this. I believe I already got one in the chamber. We're good on safe. Let's see if I can still shoot. Here we go. Starting from the bottom. Oh, we got a jam. All right. Another jam. Didn't feed. Ejected, didn't feed. So that's the ammo, not the gun, by the way. That's what happens when you buy the cheap stuff. There we go. Another failure to eject. Actually, this ammo, now I think about it, is not the blaster. It is another cheap ammo that I've got. Oh, we got a ricochet. That was not my intended target. All right, I'm gonna go top. Oh, don't know what happened there, but I'll take it. And I'm empty. Clear. So, notice I missed a few there. Started from the bottom because the targets are larger at the bottom. Worked my way up. 15 yards with a 22. I don't shoot a 22 very often. I haven't used that. Actually, I haven't sighted this one in yet, Paulo, so I'm going to use that as my excuse. But I got 7 out of the 8. I believe there was 14 rounds in here because I had shot 2 earlier. Not bad. I think if that was a bad guy, I'd be okay. So I like the way it responded there. I did notice though that when I aimed high to the second one, the one that I had missed, the third one flipped over. That was strange. So that's something that we'll investigate, see if it keeps doing that. And the top one kind of went off. So I don't know if it was maybe the splat, the bullet shattered,
fragmented, and maybe
or whatever. Fragmented. Maybe I could see how the fragment would have caused the top one to move, maybe, but I don't know about that bottom one.
It's just.
So. But we'll see. But let's go down range. Let's see.
We'll take a look at it.
Let's see how the target held up. So it does look like some fragments hit here on the side. It held up really well. It's pretty thick steel. Not sure what caused this one to come over halfway, but I mean that's pretty firm. So, and I'm standing in an ant. So if you guys see me run, you know what's up. So let's see where I was at here. Alright, so I'll bring this camera around here a little bit. So you can see I didn't hit right on, but it was out to the side, so obviously that one went over. This is a little bit more center mass compared to the last one, a little bit to the right, center mass. This is the one I didn't hit, but you know what I just noticed? Yeah. I see it now. So these were over.
I see it already.
Yeah,
right
I
up
see
here.
it. So these were over. I aimed for this one, hit it. Looks like there was a ricochet or a fragment that hit right here and caused that to fly over. So it wasn't a malfunction, it was actually the bullet. So it looks like it worked as intended. Not sure what caused this one to move over. I don't see any markings on it.
Maybe in the bottom.
But maybe it was just the impact or the rocking. I don't know. But I got 4 anchors in there. They're holding pretty good. I like it. Well, how about you, Paulo? What do you think?
I like the way it looks. I like the respondent.
Yeah, so you can get these at, I believe they have them at Bass Pro and they have them at Cabela's. This is the Cabela's branded one. You might be able to find them in other places as well, just branded differently. So yeah, it works really great. I like it. I recommend buying it, you know, so if you want to do a little bit of plinking, have some fun with it, not bad. So by the way, I'll put the price up. I don't remember how much I paid for it off the top of my head because it's been a couple months since I've had it. Had it in storage, just had time to play with it. But I'll throw the price up here. Go check it out. definitely recommend it. So guys, thanks for sticking around again. Really appreciate you coming by. We'll see you next time when we're back at the ranch.